Shopping for a makeup kit online usually feels exactly like this. Staring down an endless, brightly lit aisle where all the colors, claims, and promises just blur into an overwhelming mess. The trap most of us fall into is clicking on a generic top 5 list and buying whatever sits at number 1, completely ignoring what we actually need the makeup to do. We're throwing out the standard countdown. Instead, we're going to use a personalized decision matrix to figure out which kit actually solves your specific problem. This graphic represents the core trade-off you have to make with any cosmetic purchase. Every kit lives somewhere on the spectrum between broad discovery on the left and specific refinement on the right. Over on the broad discovery side, you have the massive, all-in-one kits. These prioritize volume and variety. They give you the sheer quantity of products you need for gifting and exploration, which is essential if you're a beginner testing out different looks. On the specific refinement side, we drop the huge product counts. Instead, these kits focus entirely on premium ingredients and specialized tools, targeting very specific needs, like mature skin or precise application. Making a smart purchase isn't about finding an objectively perfect box of makeup. It's about accurately matching the kit's design intent to exactly what you or the person you're gifting it to actually needs. Let's look at our first buyer scenario, the targeted expert. You don't need 50 eyeshadow colors. You need a high-end formulation for specific skin needs. The Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten Foundation fits exactly into this category. This diagram shows their Italian craftsmanship. Standard liquid foundation settles heavily into skin grooves, but Laura Geller's Baked Powder Dome rests smoothly on the surface. The baked formula absorbs excess shine while keeping a breathable barrier, preventing caking entirely, ideal for mature and sensitive skin. The trade-off here is clear. You sacrifice the convenience of getting a full face of makeup in one box, but in return you secure a highly buildable, natural matte finish for your base. If your targeting need is professional-level precision for a single facial feature rather than a foundation base, the focus shifts. For that, we look at the Aesthetica 16-piece Brow Contour Kit. This set isn't a quick swipe and go. With 6 different brow powders, 5 stencil shapes, a wax, and a highlighter, this system requires you to sit down, practice, and actually learn the geometry of your face. Putting in that time pays off. By dialing in the exact shade and shape using the included spoolie and tweezers, you get a highly customized salon-quality brow architecture right at home. These targeted kits demand specific intent from the user and offer zero broad variety. In exchange, they deliver premium results for those specific challenges. Our next buyer scenario is the traveler. You need a full cosmetic collection, but you have almost zero physical space to store it. This brings us to the Miss Rose All-in-One Full Makeup Kit, a high-density cosmetic storage solution housed in a single black case. In this wireframe, the Miss Rose uses a multi-tiered pop-out design. It condenses a massive variety of eyeshadows, blushes, and tools by stacking layers to maximize surface area. This engineering packs a professional collection into a single suitcase, keeping your travel footprint tiny and organized. There is a mechanical trade-off. Having to physically fold and unfold multiple plastic tiers every morning can feel a bit clunky compared to laying individual palettes out on a large vanity. However, if you are living out of a hotel room or dealing with a cramped dorm room counter, that minor mechanical friction is a small price to pay for having everything in one place. The Miss Rose kit solves a strict logistical problem. It prioritizes spatial efficiency and organization, letting you take a full beauty routine anywhere without the clutter. Our final buyer scenario is the gifter. Your priority is maximum variety, exploration, and delivering an immediate visual impact when the present is opened. Gifting an all-inclusive set has a strong psychological appeal. It instantly hands the recipient a world of experimentation and color right out of the box. For this, the Hot Sugar All-in-One Makeup Set immediately stands out, presented in an eye-catching pink leopard print case. This kit is carefully curated for teens and absolute beginners. It provides a highly pigmented, playful entry point into beauty with essential eyeshadows, vibrant blush, lip gloss, and a handy mirror. The pink leopard print aesthetic might deter older, more mature users, but for younger demographics, it provides a high-value, stress-free sandbox for learning how to apply makeup. If you want that same all-in-one gifting experience for an adult, you look at the Joy EE All-in-One Makeup Gift Set. The scope here is massive. You get a full spectrum of high-quality cosmetics, flawless foundations, highly saturated eyeshadows, lipsticks, and applicators, all organized inside a stylish, practical travel bag. For the buyer, this is the ultimate unpack-and-go gift. The recipient has everything they need to create a natural daytime look or an evening glam, requiring absolutely zero supplemental trips to the beauty store. Naturally, you pay a premium for that curated bag and the extreme convenience. If the person you are buying for already owns a solid set of basic brushes and foundation, portions of this kit will be redundant. These mega kits trade away specialized single-use formulations in order to maximize immediate satisfaction, making them an incredibly effective vehicle for broad cosmetic discovery. As we established, there is no universal best kit, only the kit that accurately matches your specific situation. Let's look at our decision tree to finalize your choice. If your priority is a premium, lightweight formulation for mature skin or precise architecture for your brows, you want the targeted performance of Laura Geller or Aesthetica. If you need a full face of highly pigmented colors but have severe space limitations, the Miss Rose Compact gives you maximum variety in a minimal footprint. And if you are buying a gift and want to deliver maximum variety and experimentation, pick Hot Sugar for teens or the Joy EE travel bag for adults. Use the links provided in the description below to confidently secure the kit that matches your exact beauty needs today. Thanks for watching.